Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is this super pretty, gorgeous, dreamy set and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So let's go through some of the products we'll be using. So the cover powder for today's set is Nude Attitude and it's this pale kind of nude cover powder. It is super pretty. I'll be pairing that with Dreamy, which is this kind of pastel coral colour. It is so gorgeous. I'll also be using instant nail glue to add the crystals. It is perfect for crystal and tip application. I'll be topping off with super gloss and I'll be using Dolly Bird and Nightlight loose glitters. I'll be using pearl red pigment and an arrangement of crystals. I'll be sure to link everything down below, but just so you guys know, everything is available from glitterplanetuk.com and you can use my code NINJA5 for 5% off. I'll also be using a dust brush and nail files because those are essential to creating and finishing a set. Okay, so I'm coming in first. I've already applied the pointed almond nail tips and done my clear base. So now I'm coming in with Dreamy at the free edge and just blending that down the nail. And then I'm going to come in with Nightlight loose glitter. I'm going to apply that straight over the top of that colour. And then I'm going to come in with Dolly Bird and do that straight over the top of Nightlight. I love layering glitters and getting different effects. You can literally have a few glitters and just lay them up and get so many possibilities with them. It's crazy. I just love working with the glitter, and you guys know that. I'm just going to sweep that glitter back up the nail as well, because then I'm going to come in with Nude Attitude cover powder and blend that in just so that it looks like a glitter ombre, like that glitter is fading under the nail. Sorry about that, my little girl wanted a yogurt. So that was that. I'm coming in, as I said, with Nude Attitude and just blending that over the glitter and colour just to make it into an ombre nail. So next I'm moving on to this nail, and this is going to be a full nail of Dreamy because we're going to come in later on when we've filed and buffed and we're going to add that pigment over the top. So Dreamy is literally just going to act as a base for that pigment. We don't need to do any structure or build this up super thick. You literally just want it there for that colour because we're going to come in with Crystal Clear and Cap. If you guys are watching my video right now, which of course I know you are because you are clearly listening to me, then please, I would really appreciate if you could give it a thumbs up just so that we can get some more views, we can get a wider audience and reach more people, because I want more nail techs to be able to find my channel and content and just really enjoy watching and learning from it. But I can't do that unless I have your guys' help to share it around the world. So yeah, a good thumbs up and a share as well if you're feeling super generous would be super appreciated. Moving on to this next nail, I'm going to go ahead and I'm applying Dreamy at the cuticle area and blending partway down the nail. I'm literally stopping where the natural free edge begins, and then I'm going to come in with Dolly Bird and just apply that there where that colour ends, and I'm going to gently fade it up and down the nail. I wanted to keep that glass tip and I wanted a clear nail because I think they are absolutely stunning, and I definitely wanted that colour on the natural nail plate, so I just went with this and I thought it turned out super gorgeous. It was actually one of my favourite nails out of the entire set, along with the crystal bling nail as well. I also love the pigment. God, it's hard to choose. I love everything nails, literally. Moving on to the pinky finger, I'm coming in with Dreamy at the free edge and I'm just blending that down, and then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply Nude Attitude at the cuticle area, and I'm going to blend that down over Dreamy to create a nice ombre. Now, because I'm working with a pastel acrylic, an ombre is super effortless and seamless, especially with our nail mate powders. We created them so that they blend beautifully with our cover powders, so you can clearly see how easy that is. Literally very minimal effort is required. Simply gently feather your brush over the product and boom, you have an ombre. Okay guys, so once I'm happy with that, I'm just sharing with you where I'm up to. This is how the set looks so far. So you could easily come in and add some angel paper or some decals or stickers, whatever you want to add, you could add it at this point before we cap. Even some nice dried flowers will look beautiful. But I just wanted to keep this set simple and add some bling and pigment. I'll definitely think about doing some dried flower sets soon. But yeah, it's time to come in and cap the entire design, creating our structure and making sure that everything is capped and protected before we file. Okay, so I've filed and buffed off of camera and I'm going to come in with the instant nail glue to apply my crystals. These crystals are from my website and they are super high quality, affordable crystals. They are flat back, we have them in the shapes and the flat back colours as well. So I'm using the mixed shapes and I'm also using white opal, pink rose opal and AB crystals as well. So I'm just coming in with super gloss and I'm just applying this to the entire nail. Once I've applied this, I'm going to do a full cure in the light for a full 60 seconds. We want this surface to be super smooth and completely dry and no tacky surface. I'm using the red pearl pigment, and now that I've cured it, I'm coming in just with a little bit on my glove, or you can use a silicone tool, and I'm just rubbing that into that cured top coat, and it just alters that colour and makes it look super, I don't know, it was just rich and gorgeous and it gives it a sheen in the light. I love how it turned out. So I'm just coming in super quick and top coating all of the nails, and then I'm going to share the final result with you guys. As I say always, Nailmate Crystal Clear is the clearest. Like, look how clear that is. I don't think you could get any clearer. It is absolutely stunning. When you're top coating around your crystals as well, don't forget to just go around the edges, don't go over the top of them, because if you do that, you're going to kind of dull that precision, the details and everything like that. You want to keep all those because that makes it super sparkly. So guys, after I've cured and added my oil, this is the final look. I love how it turned out. I think it's super gorgeous, and even though we're in kind of autumn, I still think this set works. It's kind of an autumny set, but still pink and girly as well. I really love how it turned out. I hope you guys did as well, and as always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!